Thanks for joining us. I'm Katie Nobles, and with me today, I have the three Liner legal attorneys, Michael Liner, Andrew November, and Debra Shifrin. Thank you all so much for being with us today. We're going to be talking about the COLA increase. So first, Andrew, I'm going to ask you, can you tell us what is a COLA increase?
Thanks, Katie. COLA stands for Cost of Living Adjustment. It's an annual increase each year that every Social Security beneficiary receives. And essentially, it's going to increase the benefit amount year over year to adjust with rising costs.
Thanks, Andrew. And Debra, how is COLA determined each year?
Well, the government looks at the third quarter for 2023 and compare it to the third quarter of 2022, and they make a determination as to the amount of the increase which people will receive.
Michael, what is the increase for 2024?
It's 3.2%, Katie.
And Deb, is this different from years in the past?
Yes, last year was 8.7%, which is the most it had ever been.
Michael, what does this mean for people that are receiving the benefits?
It means you're getting a raise, everyone. So, for example, I like to give like a hypothetical mathematical equation. Say this year, 2023, you're receiving $1,000 a month, either in retirement benefits or disability benefits. Next year, in 2024, with that 3.2% increase, you're going to be getting $1,032 per month.
All right. And I'm going to actually turn this one to whoever wants to jump in and answer it. This was a question on Facebook from Chad. He says, I get SSI only. Will that go up? And is it the same amount or is it a little bit different for SSI?
The amount for next year is going to be $943 per month. That's the individual maximum for SSI benefits. That's an increase over $914, which was the individual maximum for 2023. For anybody who's curious, that difference is actually a 3.2%. So the SSI maximum, like every other benefit, goes up by the COLA.
All right. Thank you so much, Michael. And Andrew, when can we expect to see these changes?
Everyone should see it in their very first check in January of next year. So just a couple more months. The reason why is it's because it's reflective of rising costs of this year. So you will see that increase or that raise, as Michael said, starting in January 2024.
All right. Thank you guys so much for jumping on here and answering some of our questions. And remember, Liner Legal is always bringing you the very latest in disability news. So make sure that you follow us on all of our social media and also check out our website. That is linerlegal.com.